Ahoy, mateys! This is Ivy Ward, your captain. This is a final demonstration of learning, and it is called the Pirate Gold Letter Coin Hunt. It is a constructivist approach for decoding for early literacy. The sad news that we have to understand is that the United States spends more money per child on education than any other nation in the world. And here in the United States, our education is lacking and Nevada is failing. This presentation isn't about placing blame. It's about understanding that there are more things at work here that are hurting our children, from home environments, socioeconomic, emotional behaviors, cognitive factors, foundational skill deficiencies we need to solve. Tucker sign is not well known, but Indiana University did an investigation on the Tucker sign method, and they found that children learned significantly larger gains in their reading abilities compared to students who did not, and that it also provided greater progress in decoding sight. There were two studies done, Indiana University and Columbia first grade study, that both studied the effectiveness of Tucker sign strategies and found it to be extremely successful, as well as there's anecdotal evidence from other teachers in the field working with children. The Tucker sign method was developed by Bethany Tucker. The key benefits are an improvement in language acquisition, enhanced phonemic awareness, the development of crucial decoding skills necessary for reading, and the establishment of strong foundation for future reading comprehension. Briefly put, Tucker sign is hand signals, like ASL, but with sounds. A child uses their left hand and only their left hand to make the signals because the left hand has processing on the right side of the brain, which is where the magic happens. If you look on the right side, you'll see a peace sign, or the letter V if you're into ASL. On the left side, you'll see my little guy with his hands at the neck making a V sound for his coin that he found, the letter V. That's a Tucker sign. So let's get the game started. The children are going to hunt for gold coins, put them in the treasure box, and they're going to make the signals or the hand signs and the sounds for the coins that they find. There are coins with letters, and there are pirate hats with sight words. Our game has gold coins, which are textured with upper and lowercase letters. We have a pirate's chest, and we have hats that have words on them. My hat on the right doesn't have the word, but you'll see it in later videos. The children find the letters and make the Tucker sign and sound at the treasure chest. Well, avast ye scurvy nades, we have to get dressed. So here you see the crew dressed in their pirate finery, hats and eye patches, and they're getting ready to either walk the plank or go search for some gold coins. We're going to go have fun. While the children were outside, the teachers inside hid the gold coins all over the center. We have a very large open classroom, so we have lots of places that we could hide. Here's the image of the children literally going through the centers looking for coins. Here go our pirates running through our art and science centers looking for coins, and they just look like they're having the worst time possible looking for letters. They literally spent probably 15 to 20 minutes just searching for letters. If you look at this slide here, you'll see an older child and a younger child working on the coin, sharing their knowledge of the sound or the letters. And in the background, you'll see a partner child and with an older child looking for letters still. Constructivism, awesome stuff. Here, our young pirate has not only found a sight word, we, but he also found an S. And I tried to capture his hand signs, but they were pretty, it wasn't really recognizable. But here he is with those, and so he now gets to put them in the box because he was able to read them. So here's my young pirate friend making the Tucker sign for V. You're going to put your V fingers at your throat. You can feel the sound when you make the V sound, and you roll it up your throat. V, V. It's very, very cool. Tucker sign is amazing. The concept of children can be in charge of their learning or in control of that sort of happened randomly at the end of our game, where they started organizing all the letters and in alphabetical order and separating the hats and the words, and they were teaching each other. This image is another one of the children actually organizing the coins in alphabetical order, which they did on their own, trying to figure out which ones they needed, which ones they knew, and getting help from the older children on what they needed to learn. It was fun. At the end, we had a massive pirate sword fight, which was epic fun. As you can see, the children were really struggling. But we learned, we played, and Tucker Sign provided us a more intuitive way for young learners to decode words. What I like about Tucker Sign is that it's designed for children that have issues with reading, like myself. I'm dyslexic. I think if I'd have had this, it would have helped me tremendously. While there are many programs out there like this one is my favorite. Thank you.